Okay, here we are. Thursday. Yesterday was kind of a blah day. We ended up slightly green after some early losing trades. Managed our losses well, so feel good about that. See what our man Grizzly's up to. I wouldn't be at all surprised if Jay Dunn pops in today for a little bit. We'll see. Two minutes to market open. We'll mark up. We don't trade the first 15 minutes and frankly, even the first half an hour sometimes, but I like to turn the Discord off. Takes up too much memory. Here we go. Let's mark everything out.
All right, Team Bull, let's do this. I'm going to try my best to catch a trade today. I feel like I have to apologize for not taking trades when there's no setups, but no trades at all today. One good trade would make me have a really nice week. Just that trade, pre-market yesterday, I was light size, but I got in the trade. I took a trim, right? My first trim, I set my stop, and I started working out and let the rest of my position run. I looked at it, I was up over 100 points. So that's what I'm talking about when I say. Market's open. So good luck today, everyone.
Interesting yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday's high
Do
and
you
the
all have any
overnight
setups you're
high pretty
watching
close. So
separate from what I'm
could
looking at?
be resistance. We'll see.
We can talk about them, discuss them. In case we all. Hulk, I hope so. Hopefully, we get a nice A+ setup. Asia Low is still the only bouncer I like. Gonna wait on the 15-minute range. We did form hourly supply right at pre-market high. Oh, J-Dun's on here. Let's see. Oh, see. Okay, yeah, there he is. J-Dun, I'm not for sure how to let you unmute on here since the update. Let's see here.
Jay Dunn would show up today.
The updated Zoom has changed out where all the stuff used to be. Let's see.
That's not bumpy.
I have no idea, J-Dun. I'm calling.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order
Evals.
Hey, how did I let you unmute on here, man?
order submitted.
Yeah, I'll just make you host. Peace. Sorry about that. I get J-Dun on the Zoom here.
Where we entered. Again, this is risky. This is the first move after the first 6-minute candle, but just in evals.
You are a host, J-Dun. You just have to
What's good? What up? What up? What up?
what's up, man?
What's up, Grizzy Gobbler and the Team Bull?
It's Dumpster Thursday, man. Dumpster
How's it
Thursday.
going, bro?
I'm good. Hoping we catch a trade today. Last 2 days I haven't caught one during the New York.
Count rejected.
No entries.
Order canceled.
How's vacay?
Oh man, you tell me.
Those legs look nice and red.
My legs are cooked, bro. Won't let me shut my camera.
5 more minutes till the 15-minute range is in.
How's the market been the last few days?
Like I was saying, I didn't catch nothing the past 2 days. I haven't had an entry on the trade. New York, catching some pre-market trades, but
I'm sitting here with Grandma on the beach. We're looking for a banger.
nice.
Or on the balcony.
Ask her which way, what we need to do.
Which way are we going, Grandma?
You mean what, longs and shorts?
Yeah. So see, she knows the lingo. She said, "Which way? You mean longs or shorts?"
Shorts.
Grandma wants the shorts. Grandma always wants the shorts.
Hope it takes us to a bear market.
It's funny. I was charting this morning. And I was trying to find a move on Tesla. For old time's sake, I'm gonna trade some options today on vacation. Throw it back to like 2022.
I do not recommend trading on vacation.
You told me a story one time.
Yeah, I had a bad experience once, so we'll not discuss it.
Bro got cooked, to say the least.
It is a full week of unfortunate events for me. Just a run of bad luck that week.
Yep, R.I.P. Dumpster. What was it, 3 years ago today?
3 years ago today, man.
R.I.P. the legend.
You're on Eastern time, though, right?
Yep, it's 9:40.
Nice. We're on the same time for once.
I know, it's great. It's crazy. I don't know, bro. I'm low key kind of an Eastern time hater. I like trading in Mountain Time, man. It feels so late, being 10 o'clock and the market just opened.
I guess once you're used to it, though, you know.
Maybe I'm just a hater. I don't know.
I feel like my brain doesn't kick on till after my workout, so I'd have to do something.
Tell me you don't roll out of bed and start trading.
Yeah.
Order
We get a
submitted.
trade this morning. I think I'm gonna go eat a steak after this. Early. Start the birthday steaks early.
Yeah, we turn older tomorrow, bro.
Yeah, you especially. You're old man.
Me. Damn, there's no pullbacks on Tezzy, baby. I wanted to see a move back down to like that gap fill at 402. Someone's calling us. I'll be back.
$15-minute range is almost in. Let's hope the orb gives us the entry, right? Orb strategy.
Smell confident.
like Grandma was right. We should have just went short up there. I don't know why I said Grandma. We call them Mamas in Tennessee. You not trading, Tyler? Didn't see that one. Still moving.
Order filled.
Yeah.
I was glad we're pushing down towards my possible bounce area.
Are Graham shorts cooking?
That's what I was saying.
Well,
I was sorry. I was in the other room. I had to answer the phone.
whenever.
Damn. Graham shorts are cooking.
Just a casual 50-point trade off the shorts.
Nana, your trade's cooking.
Push down to previous day point of control. We finally get a day we can trade some shorts, or we're just gonna go straight to 30,000. Looks as though that
We're
we're
looking
trying to be in
for
play. Let's see what happens
738.
here with this candle. Still got time to, wick back inside of that 15-minute range. See where it closes at. Has the volume for sure. I think it's gonna do the thing.
Order submitted.
Do what it did yesterday? We shall see. First few trades yesterday were just back and forth and back and forth. Again, this is just an eval, so it's a little too volatile right now. Yeah, maybe.
Close back above VWAP. What's it?
Came up and hit the 50%, so we still have a line of defense.
Well, ES orbs in play. I just pulled it up. Not enough time for me to get in because it's already making the move, but it's a legit orb setup on ES. Entry should have been like 80. Well, may get a second chance here. Like 387. No, I don't trade ES, but I think I'm going to try some shorts here. Give it a try today, okay? See if the orb plays out. If not, I'm not trading it again. I'm in, though. I'm in shorts on ES. The orbs, I mean, looks great. You got the high volume breakout candle below pre-market low, below previous day point of control, which is retesting now. I'm going to keep my stop above point of control there. 394. VWAP and point of control is there.
Two more minutes till our 6-minute candle comes in. It's struggling here. What I don't like is it's not really respecting these exponential moving averages, which is what I like
Grandma's
to do.
cooking on the shorts.
I got some ES shorts here. I'm going to try ES. It's not my go-to, so. I want my average to be 387 if possible, but 386 point something here. Is MES, has it been doing the
Order
same thing as
canceled.
MNQ? I have not looked. All right. My average is now right at 387. That's all I want. I'm still lighter. I guess kind of light. Not for sure what my regular size on ES would be. It's been so long. Not as bad. So MES wicks have not. It's been having the weird wicks, but not as bad. So did I get stopped out of what? I mean, it's at our entry.
That last 5-minute candle actually looks really good. The volume and the breakout.
It's a legit orb setup. Wouldn't you agree? It looks good.
Oh, it looks super fire.
ES just doesn't like me, so we'll see. My stop, you can keep your stop above VWAP, which is at like 394, or you can keep it at 393, which is above the confirmation candle. Point difference. That was is NQ ripping now?
Hmm.
$387 is roughly my average, everyone, on this trade. On shorts, ES shorts. Yeah, NQ's got some strength, but we'll see. You all want me to try it? We're
That
trying
setup
it.
looks good. Five-minute candle looks good, and the overall structure of it looked good too.
Order submitted.
Retested pre-market low there as well, at least on SPY.
If this hits my stop, it's just a failed orb on ES. That simple. Right at 6-7 points.
Wonder if they're going to give us a choppy summer again.
I don't know.
It's not uncommon, especially like towards later summer.
I'd like to see Asia low out of this 7-3-7-7. That would be a good
Order canceled.
price target for the trim. My stop is just right above that point of control in VWAP. If we get above that, chances are we're going to trend up to Asia high, then pre-market high. So 87 average stops. I'm going to keep it right above that 394. It's right above it, okay? NQ hit some supply here. I'm not for sure if it's going to make it through it or not, but I can say one thing about ES already. I forgot how less stressful it was compared to NQ. You know, the
Order
movement
submitted.
more boring. You know, slower.
Just move slower, which I mean,
Yeah.
some people it's probably not a bad thing, but I feel like volatility.
Uh-oh. It's going the way we want. What's that mean? Did we do something right? See if we get our price targets. Because NQ could continue up here because it is retesting that 15-minute range. Asia low is going to be one of the price targets, but you all can trim wherever you see fit going down. We get 100 pointer on ES. That'd just be wild. NQ, yeah. Previous day point of control on ES is holding up well, so. For those that trade ES a lot, how many, you all asked me my position size, how many ES do you trade?
It was looking good there for a second.
NQ is just getting too strong. What has me worried.
Order submitted.
We tried the orb strategy on ES, everyone. Shorts confirmed. We tried it. We got our stops in. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to switch back over to NQ. I can tell you, I already regret taking this trade with this boring price action with the ES. Win or lose.
On NQ, I feel like it would have been printing already.
Yeah, this trade was a hit on NQ for sure. I don't see, I mean, it looks like the perfect orb setup to me, just looking at it.
When you got your pre-market low there too, right?
Yeah.
With the, yeah, that's I would have taken that all day, every day, for sure.
We push up above that 394, everyone, I'll be out. I'll stop out. Okay, I don't move my stop loss. I'm out. It got it as soon as I said that. No holding for hope or averaging down, hoping the market does what you want.
I'll look for a rejection here. Talked about that this morning. That's why I have my ads up here.
It's the
Yeah,
NASDAQ
this is
doing.
just evals. I
All
might
right,
even
I'll
look
try
for
to ES
evals.
with you all.
I do have a new eval, FFF 508. I'm gonna enter something on that. Is it?
Order filled.
Touched it. See what
The
happens.
order on the ES hit yesterday. Hit or miss. I guess.
That trade was money bags. Didn't
Order
happen to work
filled.
out.
ES just has a mind of its own. It knows what it
Order
wants.
submitted.
Gene texted me and said, "Happy last day of your
Order
20s."
filled.
That is right. Dirty 30.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah. You're on a bad losing streak. Sorry to hear that. I'm on a streak where I can't catch enough trades throughout the week. It's not no interest. Had a
Order
decent
submitted.
week.
Like Tesla's helping us a little bit, but right up there at that 2.5 standard deviation. So
You wanna check if you like it? I never.
Order filled.
I mean, the previous volume candle just didn't really stand
Morning.
out to me much, you know.
What's up?
If we're trying to catch trend with NQ,
Right there. Hang on.
like, you know, you could try a pullback entry. I mean, you could take longs at pre-market, but we run the risk of it pulling back and retesting that range again.
Probably you shouldn't be here.
Tough area.
Did it start hurting last night?
Oh, I tried some ES this morning due to popular demand and it stopped me out. So now I'm watching NQ again.
Order canceled.
That's right, I agree. With NQ.
Order canceled.
Oh, what was that? Quick wick back down.
What up, Grizzly Glock? You here?
Yeah, I'm here. I just
What is this
Oh.
price action? Terrible.
and I've sat and watched the charts for 2+ hours the last 2 mornings with no trades. Not been good for entries. Good for the
NQ had a
long
little bit
term.
of yeah. NQ had a little bit of a 2-bar setup. I see. I wasn't even at my desk or at my laptop. We never touched the 50% retracement. We're going straight for 30,000, huh?
Order submitted.
The worst, seeing these big moves up and not be able to get an entry.
Order submitted.
You know what actually looks halfway decent is that last continuation candle on SPY for ES for longs.
Done with ES.
You fired it?
Yeah.
I'm watching some people out here parasailing. We got kind of a chill morning here. Then I have
Order
a
canceled.
boat tour. I'm gonna go snorkeling at 1 o'clock.
Wow. Sorry, this candle on my nerves. You're going snorkeling?
Yep.
Sounds awesome. Watch out for sea urchins.
At Coral too, bro.
Coral's no joke, huh? I'm always the worst to take to the beach. I don't never want to swim or anything. I just want to
Order
fish.
submitted.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never surfed, so I'd have to learn that, but I'm down. Can you surf, Jaden?
With my long ass legs, bro.
I don't know. I just asking. You ski and stuff, I figured.
I can stand up on the surfboard. I'll probably be back down on my ass in about 2 seconds. Maybe less.
Excuse me. Got choked on my coffee.
Well, I thought I was going to catch something today, and it's going to have to be really, really, really good if I'm trading on vacation. That setup looked great in ES. I just don't really trade ES. Today proves why. It's not the same as how Spy used to move for us, man. Spy was it back in the day. You remember that?
Yeah.
It was only Spy.
Seems like ever since they started, well, a little while after they started the zero DTE, same day expiration, seemed like they just keep the IV jacked up constantly on them now. The contracts, the options. Overpriced for same day expiration.
Order submitted.
All right, I'm about to mob out and go do some ocean stuff. It's been nice talking to y'all. Enjoy this last day of your 34, Grizzly Glock.
No, be big 3-5 tomorrow.
I'm gonna go enjoy the last day of my 20s. Old man. Basically a fossil.
Time for your gray hairs to start coming in.
You trading tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm trading. I'm not letting this
Order
market win.
submitted.
All right. See you guys later.
See ya.
Bye, everybody.
Order submitted.
I'm here right now. Who is Nitro? Oh, okay, got you. Thanks a lot. Make me feel old. QQ's right at 700.
Order canceled. Is anyone watching anything in this area? We're looking for a pullback at pre-market high. That's the only thing I see, everyone. The pre-market high bounce. We'll have to keep our stops like low, like 780. You can go below. You can keep your stop at what is that? 796 if we get the pullback for less risk. I feel like that's awful close to that whole psych though. It must be going with trend, Mason. I don't have that turned on right now. If it bounces early, I'll just have to miss out. You're welcome.
Yeah, I agree as well. If it doesn't get enough pullback, the risk reward just isn't there. Even though it has been climbing on lower volume some days. You would expect resistance at, QQQ 700 and this 28,900, but no, I'm not watching for a reversal here. Actually, I looking for a trend entry at this point. I was reading, I think it was TradeZilla put out some kind of post, but it kind of put things into perspective if you all want to check it out. It says even with a 55% win rate, you can still have 8 consecutive losing trades in a row. It doesn't mean your strategy doesn't work. Sometimes that's just how it works out. Most in it says most people quit on the fourth one, you know. I went and I looked for a reversal because we crazy strong at all-time highs. I tried shorts on a strategy, a legit strategy that confirmed on ES, but it even failed. Market's too strong for it to work. You just have to, Nick, you'll just have to read the post that TradeZilla put out. Money Mind Easy says, I'm starting to think it's just better to buy and hold long term. I mean, that's a no brainer. Long term, you should be investing long term before you ever day trade. Long term is what you're going to retire with. Day trading is just an income. I don't have the link, Neil. I don't even, I just seen it. Maybe someone sent it to me, actually. I'll take a look, Frank. You talking about the previous day point of control? It goes by sessions, okay, Frank? That makes sense? Once the market's why is NQ so much stronger than ES? It's just how it goes. The other day, ES was moving and NQ was doing nothing. And about to make a new high day.
Order filled.
You're welcome, Ashley.
Order submitted.
The reason I didn't enter longs here, on that high volume candle is because look at it, just ugly candle, long wick to the upside, short body. Tough markets where people usually slow down the trading. Then when the hot market gets back, everyone trying to rush back in. You're not ready, you just come back in and we're already locked in. We've toughed out, we focused on managing our risk on the market that's not allowing for good interest execution. Then we capitalize when the easy market comes back. Yeah, Jaden took a vacation on. Wait, what'd you say? Jaden picked the perfect week for a vacation. Yeah, wouldn't have liked this week. What's up, Jeff? Mid man. Excuse me.
Order filled. Order submitted.
You said you noticed the London high keeps moving. It's because London session is still going.
Order submitted.
I'm not shorting this for sure. No shorts for me. Yeah, I'm still watching for a possible bounce down there, but we'll see what happens. If something happens, we have a big increase in selling volume close to our bounce, more than likely I'll be done for the day.
Order filled.
Should make a video about the losing trade today. That would be good. A good recap on a losing trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So you're saying your VIX and the way you use the VIX to trade and stuff hasn't been working lately? Not working as well right now. It's weird how that works. You know, sometimes strategies just seems like they can't miss, but in certain market types, you just have to adjust, make changes, switch.
Order filled.
It was 29,000, huh? What day did we break 28,000? How long has it taken us to get up? Someone check that out.
Order canceled.
That's what I was thinking. Tuesday, thanks, Trade Hunter. So Tuesday until now, we've pushed up from 28,000 to almost 29,000. Probably hit it today, right? No, I'm not in a trade. Nothing. Only confirmation we have is on ES. I haven't seen an entry at all on NQ.
Order submitted.
Let's see what the delta was on this candle here. The one that pushed down and closed back above view up there. Look at that. Basically flat. Had like 51 delta. Whoa. This candle's not adjusting. I'm not sure what's wrong with my chart here. Did I get the wrong candles? Yeah, I did. My bad. There we go. That's what Jay done did the other day, isn't it? That's what he was talking about. He hit the volume candles. Now I see. Oh, he's just losing it. Wait, Nate, the ES orb to the upside worked? That's wild, huh? So the short orb and the long orb. I mean, the only entry I see on NQ that you could actually justify taking longs at would have been if you took them at the close of this candle here. Once we got above that pre-market high, but it didn't quite pull back enough. See anything here? Do you all see anything you like? Yeah, for real, Mark. I'm gonna see what we do here. While I'm hanging around, I want to see if we pull back to our bounce area. It's the only reason I'm still here. It's the only setup I see. If that stops me out, I'm just walking away. I mean, what else can we do but take legit setups? Okay, now we're getting somewhere. See what happens.
Order submitted.
Are we all still in agreement? We're going to try some longs at pre-market high. Where should our stop loss be if we do? This is going to have higher volume. Where are we putting our stop loss? If we go long at 8, let's say we go long at 8.15, where's our stop loss? I'm going to keep mine like below VWAP, I guess. Frank, you're looking for the 15-minute range high for your entry? Doesn't matter. It's going to bounce here or something. Leave us without us. I don't know. That candle there makes me hesitant. Let's see what the. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Pre-market is 4 to 9:30.
Look at this. I think it could go all the way down here. Overnight high. 1650.
Order submitted.
Trump has a meeting. What time's that start? Oh, Trump's starting to speak now. Great. Guess that's why we've lost volume and slowing down here. They're waiting.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Still here, but about gave the market all of my time I'm giving it today.
Order filled.
I'm assuming Trump is speaking now. Iran imposes new rules for Strait.
Order submitted.
How's it gonna get that close to our bounce area and just leave us hanging again? All right, Team Bull. It missed my bounce by 5 points, or however many points that was. So I'm calling it. I'll be back in the morning. Try my best. Doing my best with this market. I'm only trading NQ tomorrow, though. Only NQ. Appreciate you all. See you in the morning.
Okay, guys, I think we're done today. Ooh, slightly positive day, maybe. I'm trying to give this some room because I think we could go all the way up to 29,000 in a slow melt up here. Yeah, the market's been so strong, so we'll see what we can get. All right, we'll see you later.